Yeah? You've been in here screaming all morning, baby. Don't you leave. Don't you leave. I just came in here to give you lovin'. No. That's her new game. She likes to come in here, scream. If she thinks I'm even slightly annoyed, she runs and hides under the mountain and coos at me from there. I don't get her. If I sit down next to her, give her lovin', she leaves. And that's even when the puppy doesn't give her garbage, which the puppy does give her garbage. You are just bossy. Huh? Yeah, typical pretty girl. Yeah, you got the world wrapped around your tail, don't you? Hmm?